When your grandpa and grandma were young, they probably had one pair of shoes. They would polish their shoes every Saturday night so they would be nice and clean on Sunday. Make sure your shoes are clean, then get an old rag and shoe polish. Get a piece of paper where you're going to work. Use the rag to rub shoe polish on your shoes. Use brown shoe polish for brown shoes and black shoe polish for black shoes. Wait a couple minutes so the shoe polish will sink in. Get the shoe polish brush and buff them. Don't they look so nice and shiny now? Polish will even make them a little bit waterproof. These shoes have both been polished. Can you tell which one got buffed? Whose shoes are you gonna polish?